everyone, I'm Rachel. Do you know machining principle of Swiss CNC lathe? First of all, the workpiece is rotated at high speed.
The cutting tool is utilized for machining at the same time. This high-speed rotation can greatly improve the machining efficiency. Secondly, the lathe adopts multi-axis linkage control, which can realize a precision machining of complex curved surfaces. In addition, the lathe is characterized by the high degree of automation and its operation, which greatly improves the production efficiency.
That's the end of today's introduction. If you are interested in our products, please follow our website. We will see you again next time.